Abandonment. This is a word that strikes fear into the hearts of many. I'm 100% sure none of us want to feel abandoned, yet for some, the fear of abandonment can loom like a dark cloud, casting shadows over our relationships and our sense of self-worth. But fear not, for understanding and addressing this fear is within reach with a bit of self-reflection. To understand the fear of abandonment, we must first look to its roots. Childhood experiences often sow the seeds of this fear, with loss serving as a common trigger. Whether it's the loss of a loved one or the upheaval of divorce, these experiences can actually leave lasting scars on our emotional landscape. Attachment styles, shaped by our early experiences, serve as blueprints for how we navigate relationships. Anxious or avoidant attachment styles can be telltale signs of a fear of abandonment. Those with an anxious attachment style may struggle with controlling their emotions and seek constant reassurance, while those with an avoidant style may have difficulty recognizing or even expressing their emotions. According to Stats Again, only a small percentage of you who watch our videos actually subscribe. So if you haven't and at the end of the video you enjoy what you see, do consider subscribing because it will help a lot with YouTube's algorithm in promoting more of our content. And thank you so much for being here. A constant need for reassurance can be a red flag for underlying insecurities stemming from a fear of abandonment. Whether it's seeking validation from a partner or even feeling anxious when left alone, these behaviors may signal deeper emotional wounds that require attention and healing. The absence of physical affection in childhood can leave a void that we seek to fill in our adult relationships. Understanding the role of physical touch in our lives can shed light on our fears and insecurities. While a fear of abandonment may cast a shadow over our relationships, it doesn't have to define our future. With the support of a therapist, we can confront our fears head on and cultivate healthy attachment styles. Open communication with partners and loved ones can also foster understanding and security in our relationships or friendships, bridging the gap between fear and fulfillment. Healing from a fear of abandonment is a journey, but it's one filled with hope and possibility. By acknowledging our fears and seeking support, we can rewrite the narratives of our past and embrace a future filled with love, connection, and security. Whether we are navigating our fears or supporting a loved one, compassion and understanding are very, very essential. When we recognize the signs of a fear of abandonment, and offering reassurance can strengthen bonds and foster greater intimacy in our relationships or friendships. Clear and open communication serves as a bridge across the chasm of fear and insecurity. By sharing our thoughts and feelings with honesty and vulnerability, we create space or spaces where fears can be acknowledged and addressed, paving the way for deeper relationships and understanding. Alongside personal support, I believe that self-care and self-compassion play pivotal roles in our journey toward healing. Taking time to nurture ourselves and practice self-love can help soothe the wounds of abandonment and cultivate a sense of inner strength and resilience. As we navigate the complexities of fear and attachment, we do so with courage and resilience. Each step forward, no matter how small, brings us closer to a future where our relationships and friendships are defined not by fear but by love, trust, and security. In the journey toward healing, may we find solace in the knowledge that we are not alone. Together, we can confront our fears, rewrite our stories, and embrace a future filled with hope and possibility. If you found this video interesting or insightful, don't forget to like, share with your family, friends, and loved ones, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more empowering content. And thank you so much for watching.